My name is Cameron of Visionaire Windows, and today I'm going to show you how to reset a cam. The cam is the part of the window that attaches to the tilting pin that allows your window to slide up and down freely. If you notice your window is hard to open or close, you might have dropped a cam. To see if your cam is dropped, go down to your sash and open it up, and you'll see that the cam is dropped down to the bottom of the track. The first thing you want to do is grab a flathead screwdriver. Insert the flathead into the cam and rotate, then lift the cam about 6 inches above the bottom of the window. Next, tilt the sash to a 90 degree to ensure the tilting pin engages with the cam. Then close the sash back up. To finish, lower your sash and engage the locks. If it locks and operates smoothly, you fix the cam. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.